So you may have just picked up a Samsung Galaxy Watch and you might be trying to figure out which particular applications you want to go ahead and install. Now I'll go and give a breakdown of a few different ones I would 100% recommend installing because there's a lot of applications you can get on your Galaxy Watch, whether you have the Watch 7, the Watch Ultra, or an older one. The first one I'd recommend kind of downloading and installing is the Samsung browser application. The Samsung web browser is one of the most it's not the most popular, browser in the world, but it is a full-fledged, internet browser that you can download and install on your, watch, that you have. And I recommend installing it because by installing it, you can access tons of different websites, and you can even access things like, YouTube if you want to inside of your, watch, which is actually very, very nice. So personally, for me, I'm a massive fan of it, and I would 1000% recommend installing this particular application. It could take some time to load up the websites, but it's easily one of the best applications that I'd recommend getting into. Now, on top of that, another application I'd recommend for you all to kind of download is Google Wallet. Now, Google Wallet is one of those must-have applications to have inside of your watch. And the reason for that is because your watch actually gives you the capability of paying, and you can go and pay, if you're going through and if any places except Google Pay, you can use your Google Wallet application to actually pay for those things. So I think it's very, very important for you to actually have a wallet app on your phone. You already have Samsung Pay, but having Google Wallet is another really cool option to have here as well. On top of that, WhatsApp is available on your watchOS device too, or Wear OS device. And what I'd recommend doing here is installing and downloading WhatsApp as well. And the cool thing about WhatsApp is a lot of people use WhatsApp. It's one of the most popular applications in the world, and I'd recommend everyone to go and download this one as well. If we're talking about must-have applications, this is an application that a lot of people use already on their phone, and being able to have the same type of capability inside of your watch is a really, really cool thing as well. So I'd recommend for you to go and jump into it and basically download WhatsApp as well. Now, Spotify is my go-to, music streaming application. I love Spotify so much. I have like a love-hate relationship with this, particular application or the streaming service. But this is one of those applications that I love. I basically download Spotify in every single watch that I have, and it is easily by far one of my most favorite, streaming platforms out there. So if I'm going to go through and, download one, this is also another one that I would recommend every single person to go ahead and download and install because it's just so good. It just means so much to me, and I'd probably recommend every single person to download this one as well. Now, if you would rather go the YouTube route, you can also download and install the YouTube Music application as well. This is also another really cool app that will allow you to listen to music, and you won't even have to, pay for it if you don't want to. But if you want to listen ad-free, then you will have to pay for it that way. But YouTube Music has a bunch of different, options and apps, music as well. So I'd recommend again going down that way if you want to. Now you can also download the Gboard application. This is a newer keyboard that you can download on your watch as well. So if you want to, instead of using the older watch, or the keyboard that you have on your watch, you can also download the watch, keyboard variant. And you can see that you can basically have all these, really nice keyboard on your phone as well. And this one's really nice too. I actually like this keyboard a lot. But the Samsung keyboard's nice, but the Gboard one is also very, very good as well. And finally, if you want to, you can also download the Google Home application. The cool thing about Google Home is that if you ever want to monitor or even like modify anything going on with your home, if you have like a Nest or if you have anything like that, you can download the Google Home application, and this will actually allow you to go ahead and set up and control your compatible Nest, Chromecast and Google Home devices from your watch. This is something that's really cool because if you have those types of things set up in your home already, you can just go through and basically utilize your watch to go and monitor and control those things, which again is a super cool thing to have. So personally for me, I'm a big fan of those types of things as well. So those are like my favorite, Galaxy Watch applications that I'd 100% recommend installing. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.